Welcome to the video introducing the functions of Yeeflow. We will take you through the application hierarchy system of Yeeflow. Yeeflow provides a hierarchical application management structure, with the first level of the structure being the workspace. Workspaces are used to categorize business applications within an organization. You can classify workspaces based on the type of business application and the function of the organization. For example, finance, purchasing, HR, etc. This way, you can place applications in the appropriate workspace, making business management clearer and more efficient. Another dimension of use is the organization-based structure. You can divide your workspaces by branches, subsidiaries, regions, etc. This way, you can organize access to applications according to the needs of different organizational units, enabling better management and collaboration. Each workspace can have separate workspace owners, creators, and visitors. The workspace owners have administrative rights to the workspace and can manage access to the workspace, as well as application management. Each application belongs to a workspace and is used for specific business process management. Each application can be set up with separate application administrators, editors, and visitors. The application administrator has permission to build and manage the application and can manage the components and data within the application. Components within an application inherit the permissions of the application they belong to by default, but it is possible to break permission inheritance and set separate permissions for each component if required. Each component can have independent permission settings, and you can specify specific access and editing permissions for each component. The integrated relationship of permissions gives you the flexibility to manage permissions for workspaces, applications, and components, ensuring appropriate access for users at different levels of permissions. With the organization and management of workspaces, applications, and components, as well as flexible permission settings, hierarchical permission management can be catered for different types and sizes of enterprises to meet the complex division of business permissions. Thank you for watching.